Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I made a boo-boo. I think I may have made a mistake. I never checked what side was positive and negative on the LEDs. So hopefully it'll work. Hello and welcome back to another Fix or Not. Here I have is build your own speaker from Amazon. I'll put a picture up here somewhere. This is a practice solder kit that I'm going to be putting together, so enjoy. So here's the instructions. As you can see, there's not much to it. We'll just do this in order. 1 all the way to 36. And then there's a diagram at the rear. So let's get cracking. Let's take a look at the PCB. So we'll be starting at R1, which is a way over here somewhere. There we go. So we'll be starting there. I would say that looks alright from my first attempt. Yeah, could be worse. Mind you, there is a lot on that mine. Yeah, so this is my first time doing this soldering malarkey.
Here's a question. Have any of you attempted to build your own gadget? And if so, did it work first time? Leave a comment below.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I made a boo-boo. Oh no. Oh jings. That one shouldn't be there. That one should be 11 and 12. Ah, jings. Oh, take that off. Right, well. Right, so that's that in. Not perfect, but it'll do. So let's put in these wee spider things. I think they're dip 8s. So I'll put them in. Done. Right, next is pink LEDs from D2 to D5. Voila. The next one is something. That's the same one, and that one goes in there. We shall soon see if this works. This Bluetooth receiver I think I may have made a mistake. I never checked what side was positive and negative on the LEDs, so hopefully they work. So what we're going to do is connect my positives through the jack and the on off switch. So that's positive to positive. So what I'll do is I'll run that probably from that side to there. I'll just do a wee nick in the cable because I'm not splitting it. So we'll go with that. The plan of action is to solder positive onto there and then have it connecting from there over to the power positive and then negative need to go there. Yeah. Positive of this side, positive from this side, on that side, and this side, and that side, and then down. Hopefully that works. Get some solder on here. And first. Place.
So off camera, I forgot to press record, and I tested the speaker, and you'll never guess, it doesn't work. So I blew the LEDs. They were shorting in the wee spider things, and I had to order new LEDs. I managed to get it rectified, but the question is, does it work? So the next part you'll see me install all the new kit.
Does it not?
And test it at the end.
Right, so I finally got the LEDs, because I broke all of them, I think. No, done something. So, if I quick click of the fingers, right, so that's where the light's on. That's all the LEDs. So it's been tested and they're working. So we're going to get all this connected back up. I'm just going to snip these and then solder at the bottom, well, on the top here, and that'll be us. Right, so I'm just going to put this back together. I'll probably fast forward it as well. And there we go. Let's see. I think this will power on.
Well, as you can hear, the speakers are working. Sound quality is okay-ish, but not bad for £16 or £17. And believe it or not, the LEDs actually work after blowing all the old LEDs. Well, I've enjoyed making this, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and goodbye.